Welcome back to Strength and Health for Life, where we tell you to put that donut down. Welcome to day 31 of our weight loss journey together. Before we begin, we ask that you smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. Plus, watch the video all the way through. For those of you following along, this is video 2 of our 2-part series on food to avoid when losing weight. If you have not seen part 1 yet, I highly recommend watching that one first. Have you done it yet? Yeah, I'll wait. Now that you've seen part 1, let's continue with our list. Number 7, white rice. Even when eating the heartier variations of white rice, it still contains low fiber and proteins. This means that it is very filling as it expands in your stomach, but is very nutrient deficient. Processed instant rice being even worse and can almost be considered an empty calorie. For those of you wondering, empty calories are foods that contain calories but no nutritional value. White rice also causes your blood sugar to spike after it's consumed. This may cause an increase in insulin being released into your system and thereby causing many health issues. Please watch our video on how hormones affect our weight loss for more information. So what do? I have no I recommend substituting your white rice for either brown rice or quinoa. Both are high in dietary fiber, which will help you feel fuller for longer. And brown rice is amazing as it tastes downright awesome. Number 8, energy bars and granola bars. But these are full of protein and fiber. Correct! However, they can be as high in sugar as candy bars. Let's be honest, you thought you could slip this one by me, didn't you? Not today! I recommend that instead you try a hard-boiled egg. Not a big fan of eggs? I don't give a fuck. Try sliced apple with a natural, non-processed peanut butter with no sugar added. By the way, let's face it, we are fat. If you'd like to boost your weight loss journey to help solve this problem, I recommend you click the first link in the description below. You know, right below the hashtags. I think you'll be glad you did. Back to the list. Number 9, dried fruit. Bam! Didn't see that one coming, did ya? Mind blow. Dried fruits essentially turn into sugar bombs. It's very easy to increase your blood sugar by too much eating dried fruits. This is because they are so small and they don't fill you very fast. However, they are a good source of fibers and other nutrients provided that no sugar has been added to them. On the flip side, however, non-dried fruits also have the same fibers and nutrients available. And since you need to be drinking all the water in the world anyway, we might as well get the extra from the non-dried fresh fruit. So I recommend sticking with the fresh fruit, unless you want to carpet bomb your kidneys. Number 10, processed meats. Obviously, this can be placed under processed foods. However, some of them can be placed even under ultra-processed foods. These tend to be high in salt and low in nutrients whether they're dried, smoked, fermented, or canned. Ew, gross, canned meat. Why don't you just sneeze on a plate? Some common examples of this are bacon, jerky, hot dogs, salami, and ham. Really, any deli meats that you can think of at the grocery store. You didn't think I'd let you have that one, did you? Not today! So stick with non-processed meats in order to keep your weight loss goals intact. Number 11, alcohol. As stated in a previous video, a byproduct of the fermentation process is sugar. Alcohol also happens to turn into sugar as it's digested by your body. Not to mention, it makes you act like an idiot. You know, when you're drunk. Fine. Alcohol is also an example of empty calories. If you feel you must drink, however, it is recommended you do not go past 1 drink a day. But be honest with yourself, if you must have 1 drink a day, that's called alcoholism. Not recommended! Therefore, it is better to have none at all for better results. This has been part 2 of our list of foods to avoid when losing weight. What may also help you lose weight is joining a weight loss community. If you're looking for a weight loss community to help give you motivation, or even just be there for you during your weight loss journey, then please follow us on Facebook and join our Facebook group. Those links are in the description below. With all that said, stay safe, stay healthy, stay hydrated, and we'll see you next video.